Hello everybody, welcome to another Where's the Gun box break. This one's for 2011 Bowman Sterling mini box. It is currently 8:38, Friday, March 23rd. And here's our buyer list. It says it's for auctions ending the 21st, but it's actually auctions that ended last night on the 22nd. Alright. And here we go. Here's our box. Alright, let's get started. Thanks for bidding, everybody. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for a chance at a free box break. First 100 subscribers with the YouTube channel will get entered into a drawing for a free box break. You must have a YouTube channel, or else I have no name to put in the drawing for you. So be sure you have a YouTube channel and you're signed in when you subscribe. Alright, good luck everybody. First off, we have a Greg Little. Big swatch there, and that one's number 21 out of 50. Alright, let's see. These are the base ones here. We'll get the base out of the way. We have a Rob Hausler for the Cardinals. And then a Patrick Peterson for the Cardinals. And this one's numbered to 299. Alright. And we have the Greg Little as the first hit for the Browns. Next up we have Kendall Hunter for the 49ers. And our autograph is going to be for the Panthers, Darvin Adams. Darvin Adams for the Panthers here. Kendall Hunter for the Niners. And Greg Little for the Browns. Thanks for bidding, everybody, and be sure to subscribe for a chance at a free box break.